morning.
I have 1 minute.
He's prepared now.
Guys, I got you. What did the one hat say to the other? You stay here. I'll go on ahead.
I'm procrastinating on homework at the moment.
Aren't we all? It smells warm.
It smells warm.
I'm going to the lake tomorrow and I might get trapped because of all the rain. It's Taylor 1 and Taylor 2. Because I was born first.
Were you?
January 2nd.
Either way, I'm the 2nd. What do you mean either way? She's better. Oh my gosh! Sasha!
They're all here. They have track. Oh, it's track. It's a big track. Well, that's my boy.
Get closer. Oh, we're gonna go so. Oh, oh my god! They have these silhouettes of people on the wall that says "Be a role model," and one of them got decapitated, but it looks like that, and it got smooshed. Hello.
Hi.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I have to stop laughing.
You want some popcorn? Hold on. Yeah, last night, my mom, we were doing those black face masks because she wanted to. She wanted to.
Ones
yeah, she wanted to see if they. Yeah, she wanted to see if they felt weird or if they actually hurt, and it did. And mine was still kind of like mine was dry, and I was just waiting for her to get done. Yeah. And we were on Facebook Live, and well, she's like starting, and someone said, Megan, if you beat your mom, you can be ungrounded, and my mom agreed. So I threw my soda down and I ripped it off my face, and it hurt. It was really bad, but I got ungrounded because I beat her.
Can I have some popcorn?
Yeah, I just never said
I don't want that.
I was wearing a snout, like went over your head, snout, little thing, and it looked so cool.